Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by stopping the compressor and bleeding pressure. This prevents stored energy from injuring you. Once done, unplug power and open the drain valve to empty the tank. Make sure pressure gauge reads 0. Identify the coupler, threaded or quick disconnect. This determines tools and replacement type. You'll use a wrench or snap ring pliers depending on design. Prepare a rag to catch oil or debris and lay out new coupler and thread sealant or O-ring, because correct sealing avoids leaks later. You now remove the old coupler carefully. Break the retaining nut or pull the snap ring while supporting the fitting so it doesn't drop into the manifold. Once removed, clean the mating surface and threads. Debris or old sealant causes leaks. Replace O-rings that are cut or flattened, or wrap threads with appropriate tape. Thread the new coupler by hand first, then tighten to the recommended torque. If using a snap ring, ensure it seats fully. Make sure alignment prevents stress on the hose connection. You finish by slowly repressurizing the system while watching the coupler and joints for any hissing or bubbles. Use soapy water to reveal tiny leaks. Once pressurized, connect an air tool and cycle the coupler several times to confirm smooth engagement and proper sealing. If you detect leaks or sticking, shut down and depressurize immediately. Retorque fittings, replace damaged O-rings, or inspect for cross-threading. A common fix is replacing a nicked O-ring. Do that before suspecting larger.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.